English dictation 100 words per minute. Start. We started reforming our electricity by law, and these efforts have had some effect. If you look at the overall generation scenario further, we may find that peaking shortage is met by hydro generation ratio of thermal and hydro generations as against the idle ratio of 40% hydro generation and 60% thermal generation. Today, we have only 25% hydro generation and 75% thermal generation, nuclear generation being very marginal out of about 1,30,000 megawatt of hydro potential. We have been able to exploit only 40%. We are still beset with high transmission and distribution losses which are well above the world average. We are running losses at about 21-23%. All through effort at improving the electricity scenario over the last 7 to 8 years have resulted in improved plant load factor from 55% to about 65%. We have had growth in electricity generation on a regular basis, but a lot more needs to be done. We all know that electricity has three main aspects, namely generation, transmission, and distribution. The reforms, which were carried from 1991 onwards, focused mainly on generation aspect of the electricity scenario because of inadequacy of state funding. The entry of private sector was showed. The electricity laws were amended. We seen delegation all over the world inviting private participation in our power sector. Some people did venture to come in. We gave them special facilities. We call them fast track projects. The experience of those fast track projects over the last 7 years has been very dismal. Firstly, we focused on generation and neglected the other important aspect, that is the transmission and the distribution aspect. Even in generation, the situation is pathetic. In the 8 plan against a target of over 30,000 megawatt, we could achieve only 16,400 megawatt against an expectation of the private sector participation to the extent of 2300 megawatt. We could get only 1400 megawatt. The private sector is not rushing headlong to invest in the country, unlike what my friends in the left or the Swadeshi Jagran Manch might think. The investment will go only where there is a reasonable return. Therefore, having neglected the important transmission and distribution sectors, there have been serious distortions